Okay, fine. We have taken one button. Okay, right click, center horizontal in parent. You are defining the constraint. Right click, center vertical in parent. Double click. Okay, you are giving an ID. Okay, you are giving an ID. Say for example, I'll take Subhash itself. Okay, you are giving an ID Subhash. Okay, why you are giving an ID? If there is, see, if there is, okay, I'll take why I am taking Subhash only. If there is one more button, okay, that is Manoj button. Center horizontal in parent, right click, center vertical in parent, then I'll double click, I'll just rename it as Manoj. Okay, so this button I'm renaming it as Subhash. Then this button I'm renaming it as Manoj. Okay, next I have given ID as Manoj only. Okay, remember I have given ID as Manoj, then I have given ID for Subhash is Subhash. Okay, is it fine? Am I clear? I have created two buttons. I have not coded also. Then going to the activity.java. Okay, there I'm just declaring. Okay, there I'm just declaring. I have taken two buttons, right? What are those two buttons? What are those two buttons? Buttons Java Subhash. Okay, button Java Manoj. Okay, why I have defined like this Java Subhash and Java Manoj? I just wanted to integrate Java with the XML. So I just want you to get confused. Same name also you can use. Okay, I am integrating this Java Subhash with the XML. There is a button in the XML. There is a button. Find that view by ID r dot id dot. Where is that ID? In the resource file in the layout with an ID as Subhash. Now XML button is integrated. Front end is integrated with backend. Okay. Next. Now time for Java Manoj. Java Manoj is equal to, there is a button. Okay. Find that view by ID in the resource file dot ID dot Manoj. Okay. Now your XML, your front end is integrated with backend. Correct? Now there are two buttons. Now let me run this program and see the output, what it is giving. Okay. Now I am just running this program. Subhash and Manoj. Okay. I am clicking on this Subhash. Can you able to see this? Are you able to see this, Subhash?
Yes, sir.
I am clicking on this Subhash. Is there anything happening here?
No, sir.
I am clicking on the Manoj. Is anything happening here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to the main activity. Then I am saying Java Subhash button is there. Set on click listener. New view should happen. New view on click listener. Okay. Something should happen. Similarly, Java Manoj button is there. Dot set on click listener. New view on click listener should happen. Okay, something should happen. Okay. Now also I'll just run the program. See, everything it is giving the suggestion only. I'm not typing at to override, close brace, open brace. I'm not doing anything. Whatever I am saying, I'm typing, that's all. Rest and all, it is a predefined. Okay. Now see here, Subhash button on clicking. Anything happening? Any action is taking place? No. Manoj, Manoj button. Anything else happening? No.
No.
Now in the Subhash button, I will toast the message. Toast the message is it's a short length message in the same activity. Okay, in the same page. Which is this page? Activity, main activity page, right? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now toast, T-O-S-T. I am not defining this toast. It is a predefined in the studio. Toast, make a text. Make a text. Where you need to make a text? In the main activity dot this. What you need to make? Okay. This is Subhash
Yes.
button. This is Subhash button. Comma. You need to toast how long? Dot length long only. Dot show. Getting my point? Okay. Next, when you click this Java Manoj, you need to toast the message dot make a text. Where you need to make? In the same activity only. Main activity dot this. What you need to make? You need to make a text as this is Manoj button. Okay, comma. What is the length of the toast? Toast dot length long dot show. Okay. Now we'll see the output. I'm stopping this. If you are not practicing, you will never get the subject. You need to practice well. Okay. Now I'm clicking on Subhash button. This is Subhash button. I'm clicking on Manoj button. This is Manoj button. Am I clear? Now, shall we change the ID for integration? Okay. What I'll do is I'll do Subhash, okay, and Manoj. Okay, I'll rechange it ID. Now we'll see the output. Okay, it is launching the activity. See here. When I press Subhash, it is showing this is Manoj button. Did you get the importance of ID? Did you get the importance of ID integration with the Java? Front end should be
Yes,
integrated
sir.
properly with the back end. Subhash, are you online?
Yes, sir.
Subhash, I am pressing Subhash. It is showing this is Manoj button. Why it is showing Manoj button? Because I have replaced the ID. I have I have changed the ID. Okay, Subhash for Manoj and Manoj for Subhash. So it is showing it is if I press Manoj, it is showing this is Subhash button. If I press Subhash, it is showing Manoj button. So that is the importance of your XML ID. Now I'll just interchange as it is Manoj Manoj and Subhash Subhash. Okay, if I enter this, now see the output, Subhash. This is Subhash button. Manoj, this is Manoj button. Okay, now we'll do something new. I'll just change the ideas, Subhash, Subhash only. For both the things, Subhash only. I'll click on this. This is Manoj button. I'll click on this. This is Manoj button. So Manoj should be integrated with Manoj and Subhash should be integrated with Subhash. Then if you press, you will get the exact answer. So that is the importance of your ID. ID is very important. In the front end, you have numerous buttons. This is Subhash button. This is Manoj button. Okay.